Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how you can close your Facebook account. So here in this video, we'll show you the two ways here on how you can close your Facebook on your laptop and on your mobile device. First up here on your laptop, just need to click on your profile picture right here at the top right hand corner of your screen. So once you click on that profile picture, go to settings and privacy, and here go to settings. Now here on the next page, hover your mouse on the left side of your screen and then click on this Meta Account Center. And then from here, you will find this page and you just need to, here on Account Center, click on Personal Details. And then we're going to click on this Account Ownership and Control. So once you click on this one, basically click on the activation or deletion. Then the next page, select the Facebook account. And then here on the next window, you want to click on this delete account. And then you want to click on continue button. Now here, you will find all the pages and additional Facebook profiles that will be deleted. So you just need to click on continue button. And then select a reason here why you want to delete your account. So personally right here, and then click on continue. And then here, just need to continue button. So click on this continue. And then you're going to read all the details here and click on continue at the bottom right. And here, enter your password to basically permanently delete your account on Facebook. Now here on your mobile device, open up your Facebook app and basically tap on your profile picture at the top right hand corner, which is the three lines. And here you want to scroll down and find the option which is settings and privacy. So here just need to tap on that and then tap on the settings right here at the top. And basically you just need to select the Meta Account Center. So you want to tap on this option and then you'll find this option here. So basically just need to tap on personal details, tap account ownership and control, and then tap on the activation or deletion button. And then from here, just need to select a Facebook account. And then you want to choose delete account and basically tap on continue. And here you want to see all the pages that will be deleted and then just continue button here. And then from here, just state the reason why you want to delete your account. And then again, tap on continue. And here basically you'll find all the details, information. So you want to tap this continue right here at the bottom. And the last one here, just need to enter your password so you can be able to close or delete your Facebook account. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.